everybody! Welcome to my channel. Hi guys! My name is Mara Charmaine Lee. Today, I want to talk about weather and climate. Weather is a temporary condition of the atmosphere at a place. So weather is what we get. Climate shows what the weather is like over a long period of time in an area. So climate is what we expect. Weather is affected by many factors. They are, first, humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. Second, air temperature. Air temperature measures how hot or cold the air is. Third, atmospheric pressure. It is the force of wind in an area. Fourth, wind. It is the natural movement of the air. Fifth, precipitation. It is rainfall, snow, sleet, or hail that falls to the ground. Climate is affected by factors too. They are, first, altitude. Altitude is the height of an object or a point in relation to sea or ground level. Second, the distance from the equator. Places near the equator or the tropics have tropical climates which are warm and wet. Third, the distance from the coastal and trees or plants. They are areas with more rainfall and temperatures which are not too high and not too low. Next, how does rainfall occur? First, the sun will cause water to evaporate, and tiny little water droplets become visible and form clouds. Then, the wind will cause the small water droplets to collide and form larger water droplets. The larger water droplets then fall to the ground as rain. And that is how rainfall occurs. After all of that, there is a way to measure it all. The tools are, first, a 6's thermometer. It is used to show the minimum and maximum temperatures for each day. Second, a barometer. It is used to measure atmospheric pressure. Third, a hygrometer. It is used to measure how humid or how dry the air is. Oh yeah, and please don't get mixed up between hygrometer and hydrometer, because a hydrometer is used to measure the density of liquid. Okay, that's all about weather, climate, its factors, and the way to measure them. Thank you for watching. Goodbye!